Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore the healthy and sugar-free low-carb peanut butter cookies for diabetics. It is perfectly chewy and delicious, and you can eat more than one without overloading on sugar. Wait, before starting video, I introduce you with MetaFast, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 cup natural peanut butter, unsweetened, ½ cup almond flour, 1/4 cup granulated erythritol or other sugar, free sweetener of your choice, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt. First of all, preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Set aside. In a mixing bowl, combine the natural peanut butter, almond flour, erythritol, or your preferred sugar-free sweetener, egg, vanilla extract, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix well until all the ingredients are fully combined and a cookie dough forms. You can adjust the sweetness to your liking by adding more or less sweetener. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet mixture, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Scoop out spoonfuls of the dough and roll them into balls. Place them on the prepared baking sheet. You can use a fork to create a crisscross pattern on the cookies if you like. Use a fork to flatten each cookie slightly, creating the classic peanut butter cookie pattern. Bake in the preheated oven for 10-12 minutes or until the cookies are lightly golden around the edges. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your low-carb, sugar-free peanut butter cookies. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature. Are you ready to manage low blood sugar level at home naturally? Click link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.